Pretty sure no one's gonna find this useful at all. We're making over easy eggs. Grab your pan, turn it on. Fire. Go open your pan, grab your toaster, put your toaster here, plug it in, and you guys know how to plug something in. Bread like this. Bam, grab a piece of bread, flip it in the toaster, that, and then push it down, and then, yeah, turn it to a good heat, yeah, and let it grab this. No, actually, I'm using these because, you know what, I really suck. I use this because I suck at, like, cracking eggs into the pan, so, yeah, put it in. Open sesame. Beautiful. End the fudging video. Grab it. Around that much or something. Let it roll around. You get the butter everywhere in there because that's where the egg's going, guys. Where the egg's going. Grab your egg. Pour it nice and slow so it doesn't break. Please don't break! Oh. Okay. Let's start. Let's put pepper on it and garlic salt. This one I can record. Okay, the toast just popped on low. Grab my plate. Okay, we're gonna grab a bowl plate. Grab my spatula. We're gonna flip this egg. Okay, this is like always the scary part. No way! Let's go! Okay, butter your toast. You know what to do. Alright. Great. Okay, we're gonna turn it up just a little bit. Let's hope this part doesn't fail. Ah! Oh god. Here, we're gonna bring the egg down into the center. Pick it up. Oh gosh. Put it on the toast. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at this game. Fire off. Make sure all of them are off. Yeah. Oh yeah, clean up your mess. Your mess is like this. Now it's gone. Yeah, as you can tell. Yeah. Oh yeah, my egg. On this sort of useful. Bye. Yeah, start a cooking channel. You actually have to see what I think about it. And if it's runny or not. Oh yeah, I also want these to eat with it. Don't make fun of me. I don't want to get in trouble for using their brand name. But they look like this. Okay, they're all like broken. Can't find a ringed one, but they're onion rings that are chips. Oh, you want to see how I made how the egg tastes? Here, let's see what Louis thinks too. Come here. Come. There he is. What do you think? Is it good? Hey, don't touch my egg. We're gonna try it now. Louis said it was like a 500 out of 10 or something. Oh yeah. That's good. It's good. Oh my gosh. You are shaking so much. You really enjoyed that egg, didn't you? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. Bye. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.